Today we are taking few drops of NaOH to test a acid or basic in nature. We can observe blue litmus paper is stay blue color, but red litmus paper is changes into blue color. Hence NaOH is basic in nature.
Today we taken few drops of HCl to test acid or basic natural. Purple stays into red color, blue changes into red color, hence HCl acidic in nature. Thank you.
I am taking water to check acidic or basic in nature. Color is not changed because water is neutral, having pH value 7.